Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because we just got in a box that has Valais, the Valais, is that how you say it? Valais sheep, Scentsy buddy in it. Super excited. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below, let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so as soon as I saw this, buddy, I knew my daughter Tay would want it so bad. Here we go. He needs to be picked up at least once now, almost every video, or he will not leave me alone. All right, dude, you're totally interrupting. Totally interrupting. Okay, let's see if he'll leave me alone now. Oh, he's a lot. He's extra like his mother. Anyways, so I'm super excited. This comes with a scent pack of its choice. My daughter Tay has chosen to remove the handle, the little whole thing, I guess, because I don't think that they're, yeah, I see that she cut it. Yeah, that's her. That was her. But yeah, she chose watermelon tangerine. Smells so good. So you get to pick a scent pack. So that's amazing. So the cool thing about this is our CEO, Orville, has a big tie to these. These kind of sheep are, I guess they're from Switzerland, but years and years ago, Orville, our one of our co-CEOs, he had them brought to Idaho and had a sheep farm. So they're like really significant to Scentsy, which is why they brought this one into effect here. And it's really cute. I just saw it and I just put it back in the box. We're going to take it out of the box just for flair, okay? But I've already seen it. But here we go. So let's go ahead and open up Valais. She's really cute. She's really cute. Apparently, these sheep are super cuddly and friendly and just sweet. And that's why people just love them. So are you guys ready? How cute is this? I am dying. Dakota thinks it's a dog toy. It is not a dog toy, but it is so cute. It is so soft and so squishy. And so if you've never had a Scentsy buddy, they come with an opening in either in the back or underneath. And if you have a whale, usually the whales have it in the mouth, but you have like a little place to put the scent pouch. The scent pouches are good for 3 months. I say longer, and it makes your Scentsy buddy smell amazing. So not only is it super cuddly, but it smells fantastic. So look at how cute. Oh my goodness. And here you have little markings. Super cute. The Scentsy on the foot. Very, very, very cute. I know she's so excited to have it. Oh, Dakota, get over yourself. Drama. He's been doing that all day. Anyways, I better hurry up with this video or he's going to continue to bark, aren't you? You have that look on your face like, I'm going to bark, mama. Yeah, he has that look on his face. Anyways, so this will be available August 1st. It's in our catalog now. So in our new one. So August 1st with the fall winter catalog, Valais will be available. So, all right, let me know if you want one and I could get one ordered for you. All right, have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.